sometimes they don't always attach in the email. That's why I use this laptop. And I can't even save it onto my flash drive. So that's why I find I can upload them to Facebook, and then I guess I would just gotta log on to Facebook and try to get into the pictures and then download it back to myself on the flash drive. Really good. They did this article on this clip on this guy that spent $62 on all, I think it was like castles. He ordered everything from the menu, everything to eat and drink. He ordered,
And it was only $62.
I think it was $62 or something, 62 something, and he showed the amount of calories that he was eating. This guy tried to follow me from right here. A guy wearing a red hoodie, like a little thug looking guy. He was like, I don't know if you think I was into weed or something. Cause I look on the phone, I saw $20 tore up. And then I look at it, and as I'm realizing it's money somebody tear up and throw them on the ground, they hold that woman in and approach the car. He looked at me like if I was about to go buy some drugs or something. The way how he approached me, like if I was looking for sex and drugs, and he was a little boy, like 17, 18 years. I was like, what the heck? I said, Jesus Lord, I know that's a homeless shelter right there, but then people that is kind of about that corner. But I was like, I said, he don't know I was 2 seconds from looking for a police car for his behind. And then he saw that I was serious and I was up on a flag on somebody to see why he following me. He turned and walked the other side. And he looked all nasty-ish and everything. I was like, who would think of going to him for sex? I'm a woman, first of all. What are you going looking at saying like that for? I was like, what was going through his head?